Welcome to Guided Christian Affirmations for Healing. My name is Steve Pedersen with Daily Christian Affirmations, and I'm so grateful you're here. Today, I'll be guiding you through peaceful, Bible-based affirmations for healing, rest, and renewal for mind, body, and spirit. Before we begin, I invite you to take a deep breath and allow yourself to slow down for a moment. As you listen today, don't worry about trying to force anything to happen. Just simply breathe, relax, and rest in the loving presence of God. I will say each affirmation once and then give you a moment to internalize it. Let's affirm. God is with me in weakness and in strength. The Lord is restoring my soul with peace and compassion. God cares for my mind, body, and spirit. I bring my pain to God, and He meets me with comfort. God gives rest to my anxious mind. I speak words of life, grace, and healing. God renews my strength day by day. The peace of God is guarding my heart and mind. I am held by God even when life feels uncertain. God is teaching me to live with wisdom, balance, and peace. I receive God's grace for today and trust Him with tomorrow. The joy of the Lord is renewing my heart. God's love is stronger than fear and despair. Christ brings healing, hope, and wholeness into my life. I rest in the faithful care of God. Well, I pray that these affirmations are a blessing in your healing journey. I would also encourage you to come back and repeat them often. Repetition can be like a balm, bringing comfort and renewal as we return to God's promises again and again. Well, until next time, God bless.